everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today I'm going to show you how to use your 1.5 millimeter eye pin maker or eye pin pliers. So what you do is you start with a bit of wire. Today I'm using some aluminum wire, and you put it in, and you see how I have it just going past there. So I put it over a tray to catch the shard. Okay, and see, now I have it, it's flush with this right here. I'm just going to bend it back. So you see how it's bent back now? And then I'm going to take my bead, put it on. Then I'm going to take the pliers, and I'm going to feed it through this little hole. Now I want to turn it, so see how my opening on this side is over here, and I want it right up against this part of the pliers. And then I'm going to cut it, and then I'm just going to give it a little bend. And I want to make sure that they're facing the same way. That's how I'm doing this one. You can do them that they face opposite directions. And that, my friends, is how you use your 1.5 millimeter eye pin pliers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye now.